Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok growth tips and tricks. If you really want to go viral and boost your engagement, your followers, your views on TikTok, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to explore global trending hashtag topics, relevant issues as far as global trending is concerned, to go viral on TikTok in order to boost your TikTok account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Then after you open up your TikTok app, next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and then make sure you click on this search icon from the top right here. So go ahead and click on the search icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in Creator Insights. So hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on views. So click on view right here. And then you are here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on trending. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you search for topics right here. So go ahead and click on topics. Just like so. As at the time of making this video, these are trending topics on TikTok right now. The more you scroll down, the more you see different topics and keywords right here. The top at this particular section here are already ranking about 37.7 million views. So for you to explore topic based on keywords or interest, as the case may be, go ahead and click on here. And then you have different category right here. You have fashion, food, gaming, tourism, science, and sport. Let's say, for instance, you want to check on tourism. Click on tourism. And once you click on tourism, hit apply. And so if you know you are into a tourism TikTok niche, consider to apply this method. Then you have what is actually trending in tourism right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see trending topics right here. So you can see from the top right here about 37 million straight down. So you can review and check on some of the relevant topic you are actually interested in. Now you want to check on hot trendings. Go ahead and click on hot trends. This will give you more hot trending topic, just like what you see right here. As at the time of making this video, this is hot trendings right here, and it's ranking about 63 million views. And you can also click on here to check on the trending by hours, by day, and times, just like so. In the last 24 hours, let's check on 24 hours and hit on apply. There you have trending topics in the last 24 hours. Only this is actually trending right now in the last 24 hours. However, we can click on here and check on 2 days ago, hit on apply. You'll be given a trend topic, hot trending topic in 2 days ago as far as this is concerned. So just like what you have them all right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to find trend topic on TikTok, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.